You're at the Migros cashier, she says something, you panic. I've got you. Hoi zusammen, I'm Rudi, your friendly Swiss cow, and I'm here to teach you the Swiss German words that actually matter. Let's go. Phrase 1. Mit der Karte oder bar? The cashier finishes scanning your stuff. She looks at you and says, Mit der Karte oder bar? Mit der Karte oder bar? Card or cash? Karte is Swiss German for card. Your debit card, credit card, whatever you've got. Bar means cash. So she's just asking how you want to pay. That's it. No trick, no hidden meaning. Your response? That simple. Karte, merci. Card, thanks. Bar, merci. Cash, thanks. You can even just hold up your card or your wallet and say Karte or bar. That is completely fine. Swiss people are efficient. They respect the one-word answer. Pro tip, if you're paying with Twint, because yes, everyone pays with Twint, just say Twint and scan the QR code. No explanation needed. The cashier has seen this 10,000 times today. Phrase 2. Brauchen Sie den Kassazettel? You've paid. Victory. But wait, before you can escape, she says, Brauchen Sie den Kassazettel? Brauchen Sie den Kassazettel? Do you need the receipt? Brauchen in Swiss German means to need. Kassazettel is the receipt. She's asking you if you want a little piece of paper or if she can skip printing it. Switzerland is, among other things, very conscious about paper waste. So this is a genuine question. Your answers. Ja, merci. Yes, please. Nein, danke. No, thanks. Nein, passt. No, it's fine. Very Swiss, very efficient. You'll sound like a local. Phrase 3. Tragtäschli. This one catches almost everyone off guard. You're packing your things. She holds up a small bag and says, Tragtäschli? Tragtäschli? A little carrier bag? The li at the end is a Swiss German thing. It makes everything sound smaller and friendlier. A Täschli is a little bag. A Tragtasche is a bag you carry. Put them together and you get the cutest word for shopping bag you've ever heard. And heads up, that cute little bag sometimes costs money, usually just a few cents, but still. So it's worth knowing the word before you accidentally collect 5 of them. If you forgot your tote bag, no judgment, we've all been there. Just say, Ja bitte. Yes, please. Nein, passt, merci. No, I'm fine, thanks. And if you brought your own bag, give yourself a small internal celebration. You're practically Swiss. And that's it. 3 phrases. That's all that stands between you and a completely stress-free Migros run. Mit der Karte oder bar? Card or cash? Brauchen Sie den Kassazettel? Do you need the receipt? Tragtäschli? Do you want the bag? Now yes, self-checkout exists, and maybe you've been hiding there. No shame. But knowing these phrases means you can actually go to real cashier, have a real interaction, and walk out feeling like you belong here. That's worth something. You've got this. Ruedi believes in you. Click the next video on your screen. There's a lot more Swiss German waiting for you, and I'll be right there with you. Bis zum nächsten Mal. See you next time.